Hey, what's up guys? It's Jerome Jr. In this video I'm gonna be basically unboxing and setting up and doing a review on the Galaxy Watch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch. I actually got my fiance here help me out on this one because I already did mine. So go ahead and open up for it to get to see it.
Oh, water resistant too? Okay. Let's see here.
Let me help or what?
Oh, no, you can cut it all the way. Here we go.
Okay.
Ooh.
Alright, yeah, let's see how it looks.
Man,
That presentation is nice. It is nice. I probably should have got that one. Get that black though, you know, it's a little bit better.
Okay.
Alright, so that's the packaging. So you pull that tab, yep, it comes out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
So that's the watch itself. This is for you guys to see. It's the 42mm band. Nice packaging like always. Samsung does a great job with the way they package their products. So you have two different separate compartments. One side has actually the there you go. So that one right there, which you pull now, is the charger. So it comes with the cables for it, and the cable is different. It's not USB-C like what takes on the phones. So you're definitely gonna need that. And that's actually the stand where it charges on. So you can open it if you like, and I have to show them real quick. So that's the stand. It wirelessly charges. So I just took mine off my wrist. So you just right there. And it's magnetic.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
it's magnetic.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool. Yep.
Okay.
Just like that, and it charges. Now on the other side has the additional band, just in case.
Oh wait,
it's
there's
too
a
small.
whole other band in here. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So, for example, for me, if you like me, you got kind of a big wrist, and you need to go with a larger band, it does come with an additional large.
I thought you were gonna say a different color. I was gonna get excited.
Not a different color. Not a different color. We can order that.
This is the what is this? The wall charger?
Yeah, that's the adapter.
Oh, okay.
So you come with in there, basically, well, you open and kind of everything. So hold on, let's move it all to the side, real quick. So in the box comes the actual stand slash charger. Okay, put that on there. It comes with the cabling. Okay, and it also comes with the actual adapter. And then you also see there is a quick guide. Now this quick guide is very helpful, guys. Honestly, you may want to refer to it. I did the first time.
I don't look at directions.
No, you know. You learn what you're doing. So let me show you guys with the quick guide what to expect. It's actually very detailed. It tells you about basically how to use each button, what each does, and show you kind of the quick features. Y'all guys can read that, whatever. I'll end up showing you guys later. So let's turn it on, get it set up. Show you guys how it is real quick. Set up. So I just need to turn it on. All you do is hold. This is the power button down there.
Let me hold it. This is the power button right there? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, what do I do? Hold it
so
down?
So you press it.
Okay.
Hold it on. Then it'll pop on and let go.
Is that how you turn it off too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So while that is booting up, what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store. I don't know where you have your Play Store at. They already have detected the watch, which is pretty quick. So it'll automatically detect the watch. I was going to download the app, but it detected the watch already. I guess I'm going to do add now. Hit allow. Okay. Here we go.
Oh, it's vibrating. What is it doing?
So
it's pairing.
It's pairing.
Okay.
So that's how quick and easy it is to pair, guys.
Oh, that was really quick.
So what you need to do is press that check mark over there.
This one?
Okay. So, and then once you hit that check mark, it tells you, I don't know if it's focusing, set go on your phone. Okay. So, gonna hit it on the phone. So it's saying check your phone for setup. So right now it's setting up the phone. So this part is it's basically done pairing, but it has you go through a how to use segment. So if you want, you can look at that, kind of get an idea of what's going on. So it kind of shows you what's going on there. If you swipe left, slap right with the spec. So you go ahead and hit next. And then it's going to tell you about the keys.
Oh yes, I need to know this part.
And it also does something cool because once you actually get it turned on the actual watch itself, it's going to have you go through some gestures just to make sure you get it down. So you see where it's going on. So press to show previous screen is this one. This is the back button. This is to go to the home screen. The home screen, or to go ahead and see the apps. And the bezel is kind of like, instead of having to swipe up and down, you can turn it. So it's just telling you about the position.
Oh, so this placement. Is how you get your proper.
Yeah. So
okay.
See how mine is not actually on my. It's a little different. So so you to go ahead and hit next. All right, talking about notification settings. We'll go through that later.
Okay.
So go ahead. Let's go through the setup. So it's our watch paired. Boom! Congratulations on your new Galaxy watch. Like I said, there you go. You just go ahead and agree to a couple things. Then it's gonna have you see what additional options you want to enable. So the only one we care about here, let's do the find my watch, find my phone. All right, so yeah, we got it on our wrist now, as you can see it. That looks real nice. Let me see it here. Yeah, like man, it looks like a real watch. Honestly, it does. It did a amazing job with it. So that's how it looks in pink, and this is how it looks in the black. So, yep. And they also have a silver color. What do you think of how it looks as far as aesthetics?
I like it because usually I like small watches, and this one's really not that bulky. It looks natural, and it just looks like a regular watch, and it goes perfect with my jewelry.
I mean, they did a great job of making a watch that doesn't just look manly. It can also look feminine too. Definitely, I'm gonna go over some cool features and my final verdict with the watch on different things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to that in the next segment. All right, guys. So I'm back with the review version of the watch. Just for you guys to get a little timeline, been about a month now I had this watch. It's been about 2 weeks since that unboxing of that color one for my fiance. So I think I've spent enough time to give you guys a full review and let you guys decide on whether or not you should purchase this $300 smartwatch. Right now it is sales on it to get it a little bit cheaper, so definitely take advantage of it. I wish they had it when I purchased it. So here's the watch, guys. Still have the screen protector on, or whatever the plastic that came with it. Still looks good. Everything. I'm trying to leave the plastic on here. I don't want to, take it off. But to jump right into it, one of the cons about the watch is just getting used to the feel of it. It's definitely not like your Fitbit. Your typical Fitbit, how it's small, it's nice, it feels ergonomically appropriate on your wrist. It definitely is a little bit different than how Apple Watch will feel on your wrist. I had one of those too. I've had basically almost every darn type of smartwatch it is. I just haven't done a video on it, or did a video on it. But this one took a little bit used to it. It is a little bit thicker than like the active version of the watch or some of the Fitbits, but definitely it still is comfortable to wear for hours. I do have a little bit weight to it, like a higher end, heavier duty watch. I don't know, like maybe like $300-400 Citizen watch. If you have one of those, the weight is basically down there the same. Seriously. The reason why I use that example because I have one of the watches. But definitely the thing that took me a minute is to get used to putting it on my wrist. But the watch overall it's great. It's more of a smartwatch than I expected it to be. What I mean by that is everything about the execution of it is just flawless. Samsung did a great job of the watch. I mean, I've used it now for a month, and honestly, I have nothing negative to say about it. I mean, it looks good. If you're wondering, guys, I turned down the screen brightness actually on this to 5 at max because it's 10 different levels. Definitely 5 is enough, and that helps too because it saves battery too. It's cool. The battery you get, definitely 2 to 3 days out of it, solid 2 to 3 days out of the watch. If you use it on normal mode. On power saving mode, you definitely easily get 4 to 5 days out of it. And if you use it on the other modes they have, so let me go to the settings so I can just show you instead of me just saying it. And definitely this bezel makes it easier for operation and navigation of the watch, by the way. Bezel helps. That's one big advantage over the regular active one. So here you go, default mode. It even gives you a little estimate of how much time you have left. I wish it was focused. So right now it's saying on default mode, I have 17 hours left. It's usually pretty accurate, I'm not gonna lie. Power saving mode, it said if I switch power saving mode, I'm gonna have basically almost 2 days worth of battery life left. Watch only mode, it turns into just a watch, 16 hours. Definitely I'll recommend if you do end up purchasing this, go to optimize battery as the first thing. It tells you helpful things on what to do to save the battery. Great advice. I wear this watch all day long. The only times I take it off is taking a shower. I mean, I could literally wear it and take a shower because it is waterproof, but I'm not gonna do that. So I wear this to bed. It tracks my sleeping. I wear it at all times, man. Like, it's really awesome. They even have modes, if you like me that wear it all the time, to where you don't have to worry about it. It's called like good night mode. I just turned it on. What that's gonna do is limit notifications. It's not gonna ring or anything. The only thing that's gonna allow to go off is your alarm. So it's really good. Everything on this watch is darn near configurable. You don't even literally need the phone in order to configure features on here, which is cool. So that's reading falsely because I've been moving my wrist around. It's not reading 102. Don't worry, guys. I'm not over here having a heart attack or something. But yeah, definitely this watch is great. I will recommend it. There's so many things you do just from the watch faces, and it's fully customizable. The store is very helpful. It's a lot of things in there that's great. Like I downloaded the calculator on here, for example, and it's you to do Spotify. It's really things, and you to call, text, and everything. And what I mean by call and text, I mean you can honestly call. It's not like a gimmick. Calling on this is honestly really good because my fiance got one, like I mentioned, and you can honestly hear like with no interference. The noise cancellation on the mics built in, that did a great job. It's the same quality as on the phone as far as sound. Speaker is really loud. It's nice volume to it. It's definitely overall, it's a great watch. Now I would definitely love to go ahead and spend some time and go through a whole bunch of features on the watch. But I'm pretty sure you came here just to know if it lasts long, how do it feel wearing it, should I even buy it, is it worth my time, what is going on. And that's just my my personal experience with this watch so far. It's great. It honestly is. But if you guys would like the video of me going more in depth on more things on like features and things you can do on it, definitely drop a comment down low. But if you did enjoy this video, definitely hit a thumbs up. I would recommend you guys go out and purchase this watch. It's cool if you are looking for a smartwatch, but if you don't want to spend as much money, definitely look for some sales, because right now they do have some sales on these watches. It's like $100 off, something ridiculous. But if not, I mean, definitely get the active, because I mean it's running the same UI as this. It just doesn't have the bezel, and the battery just doesn't last just as long. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Jerome Jr. out.